Yesterday, Alina and I had a wonderful day pretending to get married to show you the beauty of Indian weddings. But underneath all of this lies the bitter truth. People like her and I are not supposed to get married. We have different religions, different age, skin color, and income. In India, we would fall in two different castes. And in the caste system, you're only supposed to marry the ones who are like you in terms of religion or social status. If they're not, then you're in trouble with your parents or society. It almost feels like society expects me to marry her parents, religion, money, or career, and not her. As if your loved one's personality or humanity doesn't matter.
This is not just India, it's all around the world, even where we come from.
Reality hurts. For every marriage that takes place, remember, there are tens of others that don't. That's 1 minute.
See you tomorrow.
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love Nas Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice, and with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.